Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to safely share your Netflix account with your friend or family who lives outside of your home. So it's a very simple process, and let me show you how to do it without wasting any more time. But before that, the first thing we need to understand is that Netflix has a new system based on what they call a Netflix household. So what that means is it can only function when all the devices are connected to your Wi-Fi in a primary location, for example, your home. To share with someone outside of that household, the safe and official method is to add them as an extra member. This gives them their own login ID and password, which is linked to your account, and you will get all of that with just a small extra monthly fee. And it's the only right way and the legal way to do it while keeping your own account secure. So before you add an extra member, you need to have your Netflix household set up first. So if you haven't done it already, it's super simple. All you have to do is, once you're logged in to your Netflix, but the key point is it should be on a TV. So first, open your TV and then go to your Netflix. Now from the Netflix home screen, press left on your remote to open up the main menu. Then simply scroll down the list and select Get Help, or it should be at the lower portion of the options menu. Select that, and from there, you will see an option called Manage Netflix Household. Click on that, and finally, you will be able to either confirm your household or update if needed. With the household set up, we can now finally move on to the main event, which is adding your friend. So for this next part, you will need to grab your laptop or your phone and open a web browser, as you can't add members through the TV app itself. So simply go to netflix.com, sign into your own account. Then once you're logged in, we need to get to your account settings, and the steps are very simple. First, hover over your profile icon at the top right-hand corner of the page. Then from the drop-down menu, simply click on Account. Now this will take you to your main account page with all of the details. Now, let me scroll past all the plans and settings information until you see a section called Extra Members. Right there, you should be able to see an option that says Buy an Extra Member Slot. So simply go ahead and click that, and Netflix will then show you the monthly prices and ask you to confirm after you approve the new charge. And then you get to invite your friend here. Here is how to do it. First, Netflix will prompt you to enter the name and email address of the person you want to invite. Then, double-check that you have typed the email correctly. Once you hit Send Invite, Netflix will send an email directly to your friend with a special link for them to set up their own personal account. And then, once the friend clicks on that link, they should be able to create their own password and will be able to enjoy Netflix in their own location. So that's it. You now know how to use the official extra member feature to share your Netflix account safely and without breaking any rules. So I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.